What do you have there, Trevor? Car? What are you going to do with the car? Where's the car going to go? You sitting on the car? Are you trying to get in? Where's the car going? Go? What is that? School? Can you show Mommy? What are you going to do with the pillow? Are you hiding? You going to dance? Let's see. Show Mommy your dance moves.